So here's that 5.7 that we're gonna do. Just gotta put a new 5.7 motor in it, so they're bypassing the heater core. Heater core's got a pretty bad leak. So as soon as they get this one done, we're gonna be putting this one on the dyno 2 right after we do the TA 392. So it's a good looking 300. I like this one a lot. So shout out to Cam, bro. Appreciate you, my guy. All right, so here we are. We're in car number 2. We're in a 5-speed 300. This one's got headers. It's on E. Uploading our dyno file right now because we gotta be able to keep it in the same gear. So I want to make sure that I stay in gear. I don't change gears when I'm on the pole. Not really sure we're gonna get out of this one. So let's do, you know, our baseline pole and see where we're at. All right, so here we are. We made some pretty good power. We're on pole number 3. So you can see that we're already at 415 wheel torque, 375 wheel horsepower. So made a couple changes. I'm expecting about the same power on this pole. Basically just making sure the feeling's correct now. So there we go. So here's where we ended. We ended at 376 wheel HP, 418 foot-pounds of torque. Now this was over our baseline E85 file, so that red line is actually a street tune that I did probably 8 months ago. So utilizing the data from the dyno, we were able to pick up quite a bit over the street tune. So stay tuned, and hopefully we'll keep making power.